pleasant day to you, dear students. I hope you're all doing fine and well. I am teacher Shasta Perez from BSED English, and in today's discussion, we will tackle the ADDIE model. So prepare yourselves and listen carefully as you go through this discussion with me. The acronym ADDIE stands for Analyze, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation. The ADDIE model is a process used by training developers and instructional designers to plan and create effective learning experiences. So, a question is, who created the ADDIE model? Well, the ADDIE model was originally invented by Florida State University in 1975. So you have there the analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation model. We have the first stage, which is analysis. This stage is to evaluate the problem. The information is gathered by answering the criteria of questions such as who is the audience? What do you want the learners to know? And what are the logistics and the delivery options? Next is the design phase. This is the creation stage when the following must be fulfilled. It is designing the structure, knowing the duration of the training, creating learning objectives, and create exercises or assessments. Next, in the development stage, this is where instructional designers and developers create and assemble content assets that were blueprinted in the design phase, where storyboards are created and content is written and graphics are designed. Then we have the implementation. During this stage, a procedure for training the facilitators is developed. The facilitator's training should cover the course curriculum, the learning outcomes, the method of delivery, and the testing. So that is on implementation. And finally, we have the evaluation phase, which consists of two parts, the summative and formative. The formative evaluation is present in each stage of the ADDIE process, while the summative evaluation consists of tests designed for domain-specific criterion-related reference items. And finally, of course, the ADDIE model has its own pros and cons. So on the advantages, the ADDIE model is commonly used. It is widely accepted model. It is the foundation for other learning models and is proven to be effective for learning. In contrast with that, we have the disadvantages, and that is that the ADDIE model is time-consuming and costly. It must be followed in order and is inflexible to adapting to change. So that is all my discussion and report on the ADDIE model. So thank you very much for listening. I hope you've enjoyed and learned something.